Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign in into the online banking account of Wells Fargo. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for a new tab and search in for a wellsfargo.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Wells Fargo, you can see the login form page where you need to provide username and password. So go for the username first. Now go in for providing your password. After you provide both the details, that is your username and password, you click on sign on where you will get logged in into the online banking account of Wells Fargo. Just in case if you forgot your password or username of your banking account, you need to click on the link below, that is forgot password/username. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page where you need to follow the further instruction provided. Then you will be able to have your username or password. Hope this video is truthful for you all on how you can get logged in into the online banking account of Wells Fargo. Thank you.